21 Best IKEA Storage Hacks for Small Bedrooms. Whether you dislike hangers or despise folding, here's a clever way to organize the piles of clothes in your bedroom. Get your analog photos, important papers, and old magazines nicely organized with this rolling under bed storage box by Kerbly. The key ingredients are 2 IKEA Riba frames and 4 caster wheels. Novice do-it-yourselfers can whip this project together in less than 2 hours. Show off a collection of stuff in your bedroom with this IKEA LURY hack by Christina at Ik Designer. The project uses the slated bed base to hang shoes, handbags, and other items. Inside your jewelry box is a knotted heap of baubles and trinkets. This DIY necklace rack by the crafty blogger who pens broader borders prevents delicate chains and strung beads from tangling. Turning an IKEA Iket cabinet into a night table is child's play with this hack by Todd at IKEA Hackers. After assembling the cabinet, he attached 4 hairpin legs. You can find the latter on sites like Etsy. Create a media console that packs a ton of storage for your bedroom with this thrifty IKEA RAST hack by Mary Ann at In Between Chaos. You'll need 4 RAST dressers to get started. FYI, they cost $35 each. This brilliant storage idea spotted on IKEA Hackers transforms an awkward corner in an attic bedroom into a built-in dresser. To make, you'll need a PAX wardrobe, 1 BRIMNES dresser, and a single Billy bookcase. FYI, you can save a bundle if you buy the item secondhand on Craigslist. Don't have room for a chest of drawers? Look no further than this clever IKEA hack spotted on Bürfers that converts a MALM dresser into a platform storage bed. So that you know, you'll need to anchor the furniture to the wall to avoid tipping. We heart this easy storage hack by Ashley at Piper and Poppies. The blogger hangs her children's clothing on an IKEA BEKVAM spice rack. The rack was painted white before mounting to the wall. IKEA's KALLAX series features boxy shelving units that can beautifully suit a large number of storage needs. Here the smart bloggers behind the Everygirl use a 4-compartment KALLAX $49.99 as a bedside table with built-in storage. Whip up room to hang onesies in a cramped nursery with this shelf hack by Tabitha Blue at Fresh Mommy Blog. To do, just attach an IKEA rail to the bottom of an IKEA LAC wall-mounted shelf and presto you have bonus storage space. Spice up an IKEA mom dresser with this golden idea by Nadia at Preciously Me. The Parisian blogger gave the plain chest of drawers the glam treatment with gold contact paper. Lots of folks outfit their cooking spaces with IKEA kitchen cabinets. But the truth is, the latter can provide convenient storage in any room in your home. Get your baubles beautifully organized with this IKEA BEKVAM Spice Rack hack by Caitlin at Cupcake. To make, you'll also need a couple of dozen small screw hooks and a hammer. Desperate for storage in your closet-less bedroom? Here's a brilliant hack by Angela at Angela Marie Made. The blogger turned an IKEA wardrobe purchased for cheap via Craigslist into a modern farmhouse-inspired armoire. When a closet-less New Yorker needed to get her bedroom organized, she turned to IKEA's Home Squad for help. Here, rails, racks, shelves and other IKEA components created this epic storage wall featured on Refinery 29. Ran out of room in your closet? This ingenious tip from IKEA Ideas transforms a simple shelf into a second closet. To make, just add a metal rail from one of IKEA's hanging systems like FINTORP or Grundle to a solidly anchored, wall-mounted shelf. If your skimpy bedroom closet leaves you feeling space-deprived, consider this IKEA RAST hack by Ursula at Homemade by Carmona. Her project shares how to create custom wall storage for less than $200. We believe front and center storage solutions should be just as cute as practical. Case in point, this chic hack by the adorable duo behind their project shares how to dress up an IKEA BRIMNES storage bed with beautiful brass pulls. When Timothy Barrett and his wife needed more room for their baby stuff in their bedroom, they transformed 6 IKEA TRONES cabinets into a storage headboard. This tutorial on IKEA hackers explains how they tricked out their IKEA BRIMNES bed frame. Not sure what to do with that heaping pile of shoes on the floor? Get your flats and heels beautifully organized with this IKEA Billy bookcase hack by Tatiana at Tatiana's Delights. She says her finished project keeps her shoes looking their best. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.